Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Resolving Selenium Issue, clicking on Option Element. Introduction. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, commonly used for testing and scraping web content. However, there are cases where clicking on an option element within a drop-down can be tricky due to various reasons such as dynamic content loading, hidden elements, or other JavaScript interactions. In this tutorial, we'll explore common issues and provide solutions with code examples to help you overcome the challenge of clicking on an option element using Selenium. Before attempting to click on an option element, make sure you correctly locate the drop-down element using Selenium. Use the appropriate locator strategy, such as ID, name, class, or xpath. Sometimes, drop-down options are loaded dynamically after the page has loaded. In such cases, ensure that you wait for the element to be present before interacting with it. If the option elements are hidden, you may need to unhide them before interacting. Use JavaScript to change the visibility of the elements. Finally, select the desired option using one of the following methods. After selecting the desired option, click on it using JavaScript to ensure compatibility with certain websites. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome common challenges when clicking on option elements with Selenium. Remember to adjust the code according to your specific website and drop-down configuration. Happy testing! ChatGPT